Wildlife of Nigeria. The wildlife of Nigeria consists of the flora and fauna of this country in West Africa. Nigeria has a wide variety of different habitats, ranging from mangrove swamps and tropical rainforest to savanna with scattered clumps of trees. About 290 species of mammal and 940 species of bird have been recorded in the country. Geography. Nigeria is a large country in West Africa just north of the equator. It is bounded by Benin to the west, Niger to the north, Cameroon to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south. The country consists of several large plateaus separated by the valleys of the two major rivers, the Niger and the Benue, and their tributaries. These converge inland and flow into the Gulf of Guinea through a network of creeks and branches which form the extensive Niger Delta. Other rivers flow directly to the sea further west, with many smaller rivers being seasonal. The highest mountain is Chapel Wadi 2419 and 7,936 ft on the Mambila Plateau in the southeast of the country, near the border with Cameroon. The Sheer Hills 1829 and 6,001 ft are another mountainous region located on the Jos Plateau in the center of the country. Major lakes include two reservoirs, Aguta Lake and Kainji Lake, and Lake Chad in the northeast. There are extensive coastal plains in the southwest and the southeast, and the coastline is low. The wet season lasts from March to October, with winds from the southwest. The rest of the year is dry, with northeasterly Harmattan winds blowing in from the Sahara. The coastal zone has between 1,500 and 3,000 mm 59 and 118 in of rainfall per year, and the inland zones are drier except for the highland areas. Flora. The most southerly part of the country is classified as saltwater swamp or mangrove swamp because the vegetation consists primarily of mangroves. North of this is a freshwater swamp area containing salt-intolerant species such as the raffia palm, and north of this is rainforest. Further north again, the countryside becomes savanna with scattered groups of trees. A common species in riverine forests in the south is Brachystegia euricoma. These main zones can be further subdivided. The coastal swamp forest extends many kilometers inland and contains all 8 West African species of mangrove, with Rhizophora racemosa being the dominant species on the outer edge, R. harrisonii in the central part, and R. mangle on the inner edge. The mangrove swamps of the Niger Delta are estimated to be the breeding ground of 40% of the fish caught offshore. The rainforest zone stretches inland for about 250 km, 170 mi, but its composition varies considerably, with rainfall decreasing from west to east and from south to north. In Omo Forest Reserve, for example, the commonest trees are several species of Diospyros, Taberni montana pachycephan, Octalobus angustatus, Strumbosia postulata, dry peats goswelleri, Rithmania hispida, Anteria umbellata, Renoria dentata, Vocanga africana, and Anthanatha aubrianum. Where the rainforest grades into the savanna woodland, dominant trees include Berkia africana, Terminalia of Eisneoides, and Deuterium microcarpum. About one-half of Nigeria is classified as Guinea savanna in the Guinean forest savanna mosaic ecoregion, characterized by scattered groups of low trees surrounded by tall grasses, with strips of gallery forest along the watercourses. Typical trees here are suited to the seasonally dry conditions and repeated wildfires and include Lophira lanceolata, Acelia africana, Danielia oliveri boricius ethiopium, Anogesis leicarpa, Vitellaria paradoxa, Ceratonia siliqua, and species of Isoberlinia. Fauna. Mammals. A large number of different mammals are found in Nigeria with its diverse habitats. These include lions, leopards, mongooses, hyenas, side-striped jackals, African elephants, African buffaloes, African manatees, rhinoceroses, antelopes, waterbuck, giraffes, warthogs, Red River hogs, hippopotamuses, pangolins, aardvarks, western tree hyraxes, bush babies, monkeys, baboons. Besides these, Many species of whale and dolphin visit Nigerian waters. About 940 species of bird have been recorded in Nigeria, 5 of them endemic to the country. Each geographical zone has its typical bird species, with few being found in both forest and savanna. Around the Oba Dam, east of Ibadan, various waterfowl can be seen, including several species of heron and egret, African pygmy goose, cone-crested jacana, black-winged stilt, Egyptian plover, and black crake. In the adjoining rainforest, specialities include western square-tailed drongo and glossy-backed drongo, the African oriole and black-headed orioles, painted snipe, several species of dove, claws and dideric cuckoos, as well as kingfishers, bee-eaters and rollers and bush shrikes, including the fiery-breasted bush shrike, flocks of iridescent stars. Some birds found in open savanna include hooded vulture, stone partridge, guinea fowl, black-billed wood dove, black cuckoo, blue-naped mousebird, and Abyssinian roller. Birds endemic to Nigeria include the Ibadan malimbe, the Jos Plateau indigo bird, the rock firefinch, and the Anambra waxbill.